You will row 500 miles and you will row 500 more.
That was pretty awesome. I just came around the corner, got lucky. It was one of those times where I just happened to be getting the camera out to check the time, and I thought I'd like to, show you guys this little gallery of dead wood and these kayak parking places that are so pretty this time of year. And sure enough, I came around the corner. I've been paddling for about an hour. It was all worth it running into that mama and the baby deer. So I've got 4 deer on video in less than 24 hours. There's quite a bit of wildlife here. But, the next goal will be to get those turkeys. Those are going to be a little bit harder. I can't believe I didn't have my camera running for those yesterday. But I'm going to snake my way out of this fallen trees. It's kind of hard to get through, pulling my turtle behind me and staying off the logs. You get high centered and then you get trapped and have to back up and go a different way. But I love being in these little areas. When I was younger, I used to make a game out of, I would slalom through these trees. Not these trees in particular, but trees in general. There's always a chance there's more deer on the next cove. We're going to keep scuttling down. I'm trying to get to the other end of the lake. Enjoy this nice little peaceful moment with you. You get trapped in a place like this. Good place to get off the water at night, but it's a bad place for traveling through. These guys followed me all the way over from the other side of the lake. I'm sure it's just a good fishing spot, but it's a whole big giant lake. There ain't no reason to follow me back in here. All right, good morning, guys. Just taking a little break, stretching my legs. I can't get any further past on my kayak because this tree's in my way. It's too heavy. I tried to move it. So I'm just going to walk back here just a short ways and see what it looks like. Looks like it goes on back there quite a ways, but it's pretty shallow, rocky bottom. Hey, what do we have here? Oh, that's a pretty one. I think that's from a red-tailed hawk, I'm not sure. Alright, we just found this cool little feather. Now I'm going to try to walk across here. I'm just being careful in case it's too slimy and slippery. Oh, it's nothing. Alright, let's go look at the other side of this creek. Now let's go see what's back over this way. We'll cross this creek one more time. Oh, that's a little deeper than it looks. Probably a good place to look for arrowheads, I bet. Just keeps going on back there. Let's go back here a little bit further, huh? We're stretching our legs. Oh, is there anybody in there? Hello? Let's see if there's anybody living on the end of here. Anybody in there? Crawling through the brush here. Oh, what we got here? Big old deer track. Big sucker. Go back over, the wind's blowing me back out into the sun. It's only a few feet wide, this strip of shade that I'm working with. The sun's almost straight up, about 1 o'clock or so. This whole cliffside just looks like it could just fall in at any minute. how wet that carp just totally splashed about a gallon of water into my boat. I'm completely soaked on this side. It's all in my boat. They just got me good. Look at them back there splashing around. I'm in the middle of carp wars. Whoa! Whoa! Straight up, slam your boat. Whoa! Gee, Merry Christmas, thank you. As promised, we're gonna play a little game called What's in the Turtle? Ooh. So I've been out here for a couple of days. I've eaten a lot of food, drank a lot of coffee, and I've made a big mess. And let's see what she's looking like after a couple of days. I'll tell you now, it's gonna be messy. So in the turtle, on the top here, we have a bag of food. Got some Little Debbie cream pies, some ramen noodles, and some Slim Jims. Got my cooking system, some aluminum foil for a lid, my stove, and my coffee cup. Got the large can of butane fuel. Not fuel. One of those will last quite a long time, many weekends worth of coffee and ramen. Speaking of coffee, I've got a bunch of instant coffee and sugar in here. Looks like a little bit of food left over in here. I got some Lucky Charms cereal and a little bit of trash. I haul all my trash back in this turtle as well. Roll of tape for emergencies. Got one more bottle of water down in there. I do have a water filter with me, but I'm hoping not to use it. A spoon to mix my sugar and my coffee up with. Got the socks that I'm going to put on at nighttime. These are my synthetic wool and lighter socks. They're really warm. And then of course I've got a little bit of toothpaste, freshen my breath up, some baby powder, hand sanitizer, there's some baby wipes in there somewhere, some baby wipes in there. And then also, I use this turtle to haul all my trash back to shore with me. I haul my trash out when I'm done. So this is stuffed full of all my cigarette butts and all my candy wrappers and any kind of food. Plastic bottles that I drink out of. I save these in case I need to use them to go to the bathroom in while I'm out on the water. Sometimes you can't always make it to shore in time. So that concludes What's in the Turtle. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, turtle.